Welcome to Gaia Ecotrack. Here on the main screen, we can view our energy generation panel in the connected device. On the right side, you'll see the panel from Groat, the manufacturer's platform. Let's open the project associated with this account. This one is called Proyecto Teófilo Benítez. As you can see, the system shows real-time generation data. There's a short delay, so let's refresh the page. Now we can clearly see the kilowatt hours generated. Below, we can also see the device ID, which matches the one shown on the manufacturer's panel. This confirms that all the data displayed here is real and synced with the actual device. Now let's move on to a demonstration of our blockchain integrated system. In this user dashboard section, we can view balances, both in Gaia Energy, Gaia E, and Gaia tokens. In this case, we have 3,000 Gaia E and 53 Gaia tokens. We can go to the blockchain tab and convert Gaia E tokens into Gaia tokens. Let's convert 100 Gaia E. This gives us 20 Gaia tokens. We hit swap, wait a few seconds, and the transaction is processed. Now let's return to the dashboard. As you can see, the Gaia E balance decreased and the Gaia token balance increased. Next, we'll demonstrate a wallet-to-wallet transaction. We'll copy the public key from a test wallet named TestG, paste it here, and send 100 Gaia tokens. Click transfer, wait a moment, and the transaction completes successfully. You'll notice that 100 Gaia tokens were deducted from our balance. Now we'll switch to the receiving account to verify the transfer. And here it is, the 100 Gaia tokens have arrived. We now have 62 Gaia tokens, including the 100 just received. Let's do a swap on this account as well. We convert the tokens, and once again, the Gaia E is reduced and the Gaia balance updates. All of these transactions can be tracked in the Block Explorer. We call it Guar Idea. There you can see the events from the smart contract, including transfers, swaps, and other activity. Back in the blockchain dashboard, we can also view a history of all token mints and user transactions. Now let's take a look at automated minting. Each night at 8 p.m. Colombian time, for me here in Argentina, it shows 10 p.m. The system begins the minting process for users. In simple terms, this is where tokenization happens. You'll notice tokens are being deducted from the platform's wallet and sent to users. And the users don't have to interact with the blockchain at all. Everything is handled automatically. Our server takes care of the minting and distribution processes. As you can see, this is how Gaia Ecotrack automates the entire on-chain energy tracking in token distribution flow. That was a short demonstration of key parts of our platform.